I'm jerking, I am so happy, I'm back. I came back from rehab. I don't know what my flip major was. What the fuck is a fucking flip major? I don't know who he is. I came back from rehab like, oh shit. Who the fuck is flip major saying, I didn't know me. Let me see it go. What the fuck is all this damn jerking? I wasn't jerking them. What the fuck is all this shit? And Dougie, oh no, I remember back in the day when we was doing get that money. I miss rehab. I was in number 80 Winehouse. She says hi, y'all. And I saw T.I. in jail. And we was chilling, and we had some biscuits and some fried chicken with old turkey that was from 2 years ago from Thanksgiving. I don't know what the hell everything's going on. My fucking jeans are tight. I don't know why motherfuckers suffocated. Wow, they talking like me. I thought I had a brother going, hello, fat boy. Like, what the fuck, you know me? And I'm like, nah, the motherfucking jeans are so tight. They talk like me. I like A.O.'s new music. 23rd movement. Like, I was like, hey yo, why you doing the Jordan thing? He was like, hey, crack boy, I'm just doing my thing because I'm 23 years old. And I was like, where's George Gibson now? Where's George Gibson? He says, I don't know. We can't find him. So if you know a little nickname, George Gibson, get at him. Crack boy, Roger and out. Peace. More to come. And who the fucking flip major?
Victor!
Victor.